If your Amazon Smart Thermostat is acting up or you're setting it up in a new home, a factory reset usually fixes it. Let me walk you through exactly how to reset it, step by step. Reset process. Start by placing 3 fingers across the bottom 3 buttons on the thermostat. Press and hold them down at the same time. After a few seconds, you'll see the thermostat enter reset mode and begin a countdown. Once the countdown starts, release all 3 buttons. Now, press and hold the center button only. Keep holding it until the entire countdown finishes. When the countdown completes, you can let go. After the reset, you'll now see a screen that says Set. That's how you know the reset worked. Your thermostat is now ready to be set up again from your phone using the Alexa app. This is especially useful if you just moved into a house or want to connect it to a new account. And that's it. Your Amazon Smart Thermostat is fully reset and ready to go. If you need help setting it up again, check out the setup guide next. Thanks for watching.